An alias in an Ubuntu terminal is a shortened command that you can type in to run an otherwise much longer command. In this case, a cd and typing out the entire directory that you actually want to change. So in order to make one of these, it's actually pretty simple. You're just going to use a text editor, whichever one you use. I use emacs, to the following file. And I'll leave that command in my description. And you can see right here, this is the exact command we use, cs211, and it just literally takes that entire change directory and just runs it with a shortened command. So in order to do this, you can see many examples that I used before. You're gonna simply type in alias and then whatever you wanna call the alias, and then set an equal, and then in these single quotation marks, you're just gonna put whatever you want the command to be. So I'm literally just gonna make it the command that we just used to open the file, just to show you. And then in order to actually update this into the system so it can understand the command that you're typing for the alias, you're just gonna source and then give it the location of the bash aliases file. And then now you'll be able to use your aliases. So to illustrate that, we're gonna do open aliases. It was open alias. And there you go.